Should you use YouTube videos on EverWebinar? It's a question a lot of marketers are asking, and if you're not sure whether it's worth the integration, you're in the right place. Stick around as I break down exactly why you might want to use YouTube videos with EverWebinar and what you need to know before jumping in. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly mention that you can try EverWebinar completely free through the first link in the description below and even score some exclusive bonuses. More on that later, but let's get into it. First off, EverWebinar is a powerful platform for creating automated webinars that feel live. But when it comes to using YouTube videos, there are some key factors to consider. So, should you be using YouTube videos on EverWebinar? The short answer is, it depends. Let's break it down. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. Integrating YouTube with EverWebinar is incredibly simple. You can easily upload a YouTube video or link it to your EverWebinar session, saving time compared to uploading videos directly. This gives you the flexibility to automate your webinars without the need for complicated video handling. But there's something you need to keep in mind. YouTube videos are public, which means anyone can access them. So, if your content is highly specific or you want to create a more exclusive experience, YouTube might not be the best option. EverWebinar offers options to keep things private, but YouTube's public nature could be a drawback for some. The third thing you should consider is the quality of your video. EverWebinar allows you to upload your own video files, which gives you full control over quality. YouTube videos, however, are subject to YouTube's compression algorithms. If you've uploaded a high-quality video to YouTube, it might not be the sharpest when streamed through EverWebinar. This could affect your presentation's impact, especially if you're presenting something like a product demo or a polished pitch. Now, here's something to keep in mind. YouTube has a massive audience, and the SEO potential is huge. Using YouTube videos can boost the organic reach of your content since they can be found both on YouTube and via Google search. But if your goal is to have a more contained audience, like a niche group, EverWebinar might allow you to focus your content more effectively, offering a more targeted experience. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits of live interaction. EverWebinar's biggest selling point is the ability to simulate live webinars. If you use YouTube videos, you can add any live interaction, such as Q and AMP, a sessions or live chat. If this is a major part of your strategy, you might want to reconsider using YouTube videos, since EverWebinar's built-in tools are designed to offer a much more engaging live experience. So, to recap, YouTube videos on EverWebinar can save you time, offer SEO benefits, and give you an easy way to use video content. But depending on your goals, there might be some limitations in terms of privacy, video quality, and interactivity. If you're looking for a completely automated experience without worrying about video quality, YouTube can work. But if you need higher quality or more interactivity, you might want to consider uploading your own videos to EverWebinar. Before you go, don't forget to click the first link in the description for your exclusive and extended free trial of EverWebinar. It's a great way to try the platform with no risk and see for yourself how it fits into your marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.